Numerous types of birds prefer to use nesting ledges rather than boxes or tree hollows. Some examples include robins, blue jays, barn swallows, and phoebes. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple nesting ledge for our feathered friends. Let's get right to it. I'll start with a 1x6x8 and cut it down into the pieces I'll need. This board is a little warped down the middle, but I'll straighten it out as best I can when I assemble the pieces later. Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got. I'll leave all the measurements in the video description. It's good practice to clean up the edges after cutting. It only takes a moment, but really makes a difference to the end results. To create the curvature of the side walls, I'm going to use this plastic container. You can use any round object that'll give you the size you want. To cut this out, I'm going to use my jigsaw. For the second wall piece, I'll just trace the first. Okay, on to assembly. First, I'll attach the side walls to the base using a couple of screws. I'll pre-drill all these holes and then use a countersink bit to avoid splitting the wood near the edges. Next, I'll attach the back wall again by marking out the screw positions and then pre-drilling. I like to use a screwdriver to secure each screw at the end. This way I can control the final amount of torque on each screw head. I cut this little end piece to attach to the front of the ledge. It'll help prevent anything falling out for whatever reason. The small gap is to allow any rain to drain out should it somehow get in. It would be best to place this nesting ledge under a covered area and out of the rain. I'll cut a slight angle at the top of the side walls to allow the roof to slant forward. The roof board can now be attached. I'm putting a slight bevel on the roof and softening up all the edges. No project is complete without a little sanding. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.